In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a student portfolio on Canva. First, log into your Canva account. Once you're on the home screen, look over to the left-hand panel and click on Create. A pop-up window will appear with a search bar at the top. In that search bar, type Portfolio. Canva will show you several different portfolio options. Look for the one labeled Student Portfolio. Click on it, and it will open inside the Canva editor as a new design. Inside the editor, you'll see the templates panel already open on the left side. For this walkthrough, we'll choose one of these ready-made layouts. If you have a specific style in mind, use the search field at the top of the templates panel and type in keywords like modern student portfolio or minimal student portfolio. Scroll through the designs until you find one you like, then click on it. Canva will automatically apply that template to your canvas. Now it's time to customize the content so it becomes your own portfolio. Start with the text. Double-click any text box on the page. When you do, a text toolbar will appear along the top of the editor. Use this to change the font, size, color, spacing, and alignment, and then simply start typing to replace the sample text with your own information. If you need extra text boxes, go to the Text tab on the left and choose a heading, subheading, or body text. Try to keep your fonts and colors consistent across all pages so your portfolio looks clean and professional. Next, adjust the elements in the design. Click any shape, line, or decorative object and drag it to reposition it. Use the resize handles around it to make it bigger or smaller. You can also right-click an element to access more options, like duplicating or arranging it in front or behind other items. For graphics and images, open the Elements tab to add shapes, icons, stickers, or photos. To bring in your own pictures, logos, or other visuals, go to the Uploads tab and upload your files. You can use images to showcase your projects, achievements, or activities. Canva also lets you upload PDFs and MP4s if you want to embed more complex work. If you need more space, scroll down to the bottom of your design and click Add Page. You can also duplicate an existing page if you want to keep the same layout and just change the content. This helps your entire portfolio maintain a consistent look. As you build your portfolio, think about its structure. Start with a strong cover page that includes your name, a clear title like Student Portfolio, and a high-quality background or profile picture. Follow that with an About Me or biography page with a short summary of your skills, interests, and academic goals. Then create a projects or work samples section. To showcase your work nicely, go to the Elements tab, search for frames, and add them to your page. Drag and drop your project images or video thumbnails into these frames for a polished layout. Finally, add a contact page with your preferred email and links to professional platforms, such as a profile on a networking site or a portfolio website. Once you're happy with your portfolio, it's time to export it. In the top right corner of the editor, click the Share button. From the drop-down, choose Download. If you want a digital file to email or upload, you can use a standard PDF. If you plan to print it, select PDF Print for higher quality. If you'd like to turn your portfolio into a simple website instead, look for the Publish Website option in the top right area of the editor. Click that, follow the prompts, and Canva will generate a shareable link to your online portfolio that you can send to teachers, potential employers, or schools. And that's it. You now know how to build a complete student portfolio in Canva, from choosing a template to customizing your content and sharing it as a PDF or a website.